If you're looking to learn Croatian, a variety of apps can help streamline your process. In today's video, we'll explore the top apps to help you on your Croatian learning journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up, these apps will make learning Croatian fun and effective. Let's start with the first app. If you're starting your Croatian language journey, that's fantastic. The Ling App is an excellent choice, especially if you're just beginning. It takes you through the essentials from greetings like Dobro jutro to conversations about daily life. With over 50 topics to explore, the app offers interactive learning through games and quizzes, making the process engaging and fun. Plus, its spaced repetition system helps those new words stick. If you're completely new to Croatian, Ling is a welcoming and effective way to get started. Good news is that Ling offers a free trial for you. Why waste more time if you can start learning now? Make sure you check out our description below. The Drops apps makes learning fun by using engaging minigames, vibrant illustrations, and short sessions of 5 to 15 minutes, making it ideal for building vocabulary. You'll associate words with memorable visuals, helping them stick. It's perfect for visual learners and those who prefer an interactive approach. However, it's not the best choice if you're looking for deep grammar lessons. While the free version is limited, the fun factor makes it worth trying out. Next one, we got Pimsleur. Pimsleur is a top choice for those serious about speaking Croatian fluently. Using its proven audio-based Pimsleur method, the app focuses on real conversations, pronunciation, and listening comprehension. Each 30-minute lesson is designed to fit busy schedules, allowing for flexible, hands-free learning. Plus, cultural insights helps you understand the language beyond just words. However, Pimsleur doesn't emphasize reading and writing, making it more suitable for verbal practice. It's a bit pricey, but for high-quality speaking practice, it's worth considering. And its structured approach is highly effective. Moving on, we have Clozemaster. Clozemaster is a fantastic tool for learners who have moved beyond the basics and want to strengthen their Croatian skills. Unlike traditional apps, it focuses on real-world sentences, helping users to learn vocabulary and grammar through fill-in-the-blank exercises. This app offers an engaging, game-like experience, making learning both fun and competitive with leaderboards and progress tracking. The Pro version adds grammar challenges and listening exercises. While it's great for self-paced learning, beginners may find it challenging. But if you're ready for a challenge, Clozemaster is worth exploring. iTalki is a great platform for learning Croatian through one-on-one lessons with native tutors. Unlike structured apps, it offers a flexible, personalized approach, allowing you to choose a tutor based on your teaching style, experience, and pricing. Lessons are scheduled at your convenience, making it ideal for busy learners. You can also book instant sessions for last-minute help. While pricing is flexible, lesson quality varies depending on the tutor. Since tutors set their own methods, quality varies, and you may need to try a few to find the right match. LinGo Play is an engaging Croatian learning app designed to build vocabulary through flashcards and interactive games. It covers diverse topics like education, business, sports, and daily life, as well as structured lessons, memory quizzes, and listening exercises with native speaker recordings. This app also offers competitive league challenges which add a motivational aspect. While it's engaging and well-structured for beginners, it primarily focuses on foundational vocabulary, so advanced learners may find it limited. As for the last app, we have HelloTalk. Beyond language, this app promotes cultural exchange, allowing users to explore Croatian traditions, lifestyle, and more. HelloTalk provides real-time chat, voice-to-text, and correction features, making it easier to improve pronunciation and fluency. But since it relies on user interaction, finding an available conversation partner can sometimes be challenging, and premium features unlock additional tools. HelloTalk will be an excellent tool if you want to learn Croatian in a unique way through direct conversations with native speakers. So which app are you excited to try? Whether you're a beginner or looking to level up, we've got you covered with a roundup of the best apps to help you master the language. Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning tips. Until next time, and happy learning!